Today, I'll show you how to make kakuni, a deliciously tender Japanese braised pork belly.
こんにちは、I'm Nami from Just One Cookbook.
Kakuni is a comforting, slow-cooked dish that combines pork belly, flavorful aromatics, and seasonings for a rich, savory meal. Well-seasoned boiled eggs and crisp snap peas are the perfect finishing touch.
Find more cooking tips on the website and look for the link in the description box below. Now let's get started.
We'll start by preparing the aromatics. Thinly slice a knob of unpeeled ginger, then cut the green part of a Tokyo Negi, or you can substitute it with the 2 green onions. Cut the green part into 2-inch pieces and set the white part aside for garnish later. Next, we'll sear the pork belly. Cut the pork belly into blocks that will fit comfortably in your pot. Heat a heavy skillet over medium-high with a half tablespoon of oil. Place the pork belly in the hot skillet, fat side down, and sear each side for about 2 to 3 minutes until browned. Once seared, transfer the pork belly to a large pot in a single layer. In the pot, add 1/4 cup of sake and enough water to cover the pork. Add the green part of the Tokyo Negi and half of the sliced ginger. Bring everything to a boil over medium heat, skimming off any scum that rises to the surface. Then, reduce to a gentle simmer and place an otoshibuta on top of the pork to help it cook evenly. Keep the pot uncovered to allow any excess odor to escape. Let this cook for 3 hours on low heat, adding more water as needed to keep the pork submerged. Meanwhile, let's prepare eggs and snap peas to start with the pork belly. Bring water to a boil in medium saucepan and gently roll in 4 large eggs straight from the fridge. Set a timer for 7 minutes. When done, transfer the eggs to ice water to cool. Then peel the eggs and set them aside. Remove the tough strings from 5 snap peas and blanch them in the boiling water for about 1.5 to 2 minutes. Now I'll show you how to make Shiraga Negi garnish using the white part of Tokyo Negi. Cut the white part of Tokyo Negi into 2-inch pieces. Make an incision lengthwise and take the white outer layers. Stack the outer layers, hold them flat against your cutting board, and slice lengthwise into very thin strips. Soak these strips in ice water for about 10 minutes to reduce any bitterness, then drain well. After 3 hours, remove the otoshibuta and check if the pork is tender. Remove the pork belly and cut it into 2-inch pieces. I changed the pot for a tighter fit so the seasonings will completely cover the meat. If you use the same large pot as before, you may need to increase the amount of seasonings to cover the meat. Add 2.5 cups of dashi. Quarter cup of sake. Quarter cup of mirin. Quarter cup of sugar. The remaining ginger slices. And a dry chili pepper for a touch of heat. Place the otoshibuta back on top and bring to a simmer. Once it's bubbling, reduce to a gentle simmer and cook for 1 hour. At the 30-minute mark, add 1/4 cup of soy sauce to the pot and place the peeled boiled eggs in as well. Let this continue to simmer, occasionally shaking the pot to coat everything in the flavorful braising liquid. When finished, remove the ginger from the pot. Serve the pork belly with a little bit of the braising liquid. Cut each egg in half and place them alongside some of the snap peas for color and texture. Top with the Shiraga Negi for a fresh garnish, And if you like a little spice, add a sprinkle of shichimi togarashi. For a richer flavor, let the kakuni cool in its braising liquid and serve it later. Enjoy this comforting, slow-cooked dish that's packed with flavor.
Itadakimasu!
I hope you enjoy this recipe and check out more of my videos here. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. またね!